Hello, I'm Stefaniya. You wanna dance and dance and dance. Here we are in New York City, a place where dreams come true, a place of possibilities and opportunities, and it's up to you if you want to take the opportunity and create your reality. New York in the hurry. Here we are. This is New York Stock Exchange. Beautiful. Oh my God.
Put them on you. Take a picture.
On me?
Yeah.
I'm afraid of snakes.
Don't be afraid. Touch them.
And here is the Statue of Liberty, located on Liberty Island. Here's the memorial. That's where we're going right now. This beautiful building is called Oculus, and you can see inside there's a shopping center and there's a train station. Can I get 2 tickets to 34th Street, please? Thank you. Thank you. I'm so excited to take a boat. It's an amazing city to see. Cappuccino is the best. I like to come to one of the coffee shops anywhere I'm going and take a cappuccino. New York has a very famous shopping street. It's called Fifth Avenue. and it leads to Central Park. Go! Central Park is the most visited urban park in the United States and is the most filmed location in the world. Did you know that? We're going to see the fountain. Central Park is the most visited urban park in the United States. Isn't it amazing? A place to escape from urban life. This is beautiful. That's an angel. Wow.
The sky, that way you see better.
So this is a real leaf?
Yeah, and look at. See how it projects the shadows?
Yes, it's amazing. This is pure talent. We're going to visit Bow Bridge. Yeah, but I prepared some snack to feed birds. This is the center of New York City, Times Square. New York City. So cute! I like your eyes! Ah! Can't wait to see you in the next city.